Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at my most recent trash find. I was driving around looking for junk and at the curb, what do you know? Somebody was throwing out an 11 horsepower 30-inch cut Murray rear engine Ryder. All the tires seemed good, only the fronts were off the bead, but I got them aired back up. The motor wasn't stuck or anything, it didn't have any gas in it. The battery was no good. I put a new battery in it, I poured gas in it. And sure enough, check this out. Freaking run. Who throws out a working lawn tractor? I mean, all it really needed was a battery and gas. As much as I hate to do it, I had a little bit of a sling blade moment when this thing started up. I had to say, it ain't got no gas in it. That was all that was wrong with it. That was it. It ran out of gas. They threw it away. You guys tell me why you thought they threw it away. You think it's because of the ugly seat? Surely they didn't throw it out because of that. I mean, it's fairly ugly. Oil's fine. Air filter's not dirty. Surely there had to be some kind of reason. But yeah. It freaking works. Anyway, I'm not going to ramble on too long about it. I mean, it works. There's nothing to fix on it, so there's not much to watch. So, sorry. Let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you guys next time.